Hello YouTube. Sorry, sorry I didn't upload any videos lately. Real life stuff has gotten in the way. But I got something to unbox and do a review on today. The model push along Yong. Now, Yong is a pretty cool character ever since he was introduced in the Great Race. But I don't think it was a very good idea to add him to the series just for the sake of merchandise. I mean, why else do you why else do you think the original series failed? One, toy sales, and two, the Big World Big Adventures rebrand. So yeah, those are the reasons why the original show ended. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox the porcelain on Bao, and I got me trusty scissors. I would usually try right here. Or I can just cut the plastic. I'm sure that can work too. Yeah, I'm gonna try and be careful getting out of our house. Okay, my scissors weren't even that trusty. I'm getting them up. I'm getting them up. There we go. I got Young Bao out of the box. I'm not gonna keep the push-along boxes because I don't collect push-alongs as often as I do with motorized. I mean, I'm not saying that the push-along brand is a bad idea, but I just don't think it's um what's the word? Ah, screw it. But anyways, here's Young Bao. Has the looking good in red and green. He's even got a tiger on his tender, both sides. Yeah, I think this was meant to represent the Chinese dragon. Again, Yang Bao is a pretty cool character, but I don't think it's a very good idea to add him to the series just for the sake of merchandise. Again, that's the reason why the original series ended. Not only because of the failure of the Big World Big Adventures rebrand, but because of but because of the toys that did poorly in sales. You know, poor sales. I mean, why else do you think the original series had low ratings afterwards? He's not that bad. He's detailed here and there. I love the face. I love that Young Bao face. Yeah, Young Bao looks a little bit like Hero, to be honest. But the difference between these two is that Yang Bao's from China and Hero is from Japan. But what they have in common is that they both live in Asia. Yeah, you see that? Young Bao is staring right into your soul in a creepy way. But anyways, yeah, that's about to do it. Oh, Young Bao had recently made a return in All Engines Go. So yeah, he came back again. When I first saw him in that series, I was like, "Oh look, it's an engine that doesn't do well in merchandising." Oh joy! Honestly, that kind of ticks me off. Engines that were featured for at least one episode or special or anything. It's just a complete waste of potential. Like with Hank, Flora, Madge, Colin, Billy. No, no, no. Forget that stupid orange engine. Um, let's see. Who else? Um, let's see. There's Jeremy. He only spoke in one episode and doesn't appear much. Uh, he only appeared in 3 episodes. No. No. His Trackmaster model used for the season 18 episode doesn't count. But yeah, that's about to do it for the push along on Bao. And well, y'all know what I always say. Thanks for watching and bye for now.